man. I'm just so miserable. I'm from Canada, and no one in Canada is really kind. Nobody understands me. I just feel so alone.
Oh, Amy. Please tell me you're gonna be okay, okay? Look. Today is Independence Day, and that means that you can have freedom. Just come to the American nation. Let me tell you about it. Let me tell you about our loving country, because it's really a great place. Once you come on in. So, yeah, here we go. Do you ever feel like a plastic bed, drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screams and no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em all in awe, oh, oh. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe the reason why all your doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time you'll know. You just got to ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em all in awe, oh, oh. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, you. So now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em all in awe, oh, oh. Boom, baby. American Pride. I probably should have wore my red buff, because 4th of July. I probably should have wore like a blue shirt or something too. And let me see what I got here. Is this kind of bluish? Yeah, you know what? This is bluer. I don't know. I'm gonna find a blue shirt real quick, and then I'm gonna continue. Okay. So let me just get this blue shirt on, and then I will. This is actually a shirt from my old school. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a shout out today, so I guess I'll probably do someone from my old school. If any of you are on Twitter, actually I have no idea how you would contact me right now, but yeah. So let's just do a quick shirt swap, and yeah. I apologize for being shirtless. Okay, we're back. So now, I'm going to sing one more song, I actually didn't practice this one, but it was what song I was singing last night. Just like, you know what, it fits. So if I do decide to post this, it works. So let me just look it up real quick. Actually, I'm gonna sing this one with a background vocalist in the background, because I could sing it with just karaoke, but I want this song to sound good, and my voice alone doesn't necessarily sound that good, so we're gonna have a little female help here. So I'm having Christy Lee Cook singing this song with me in the background, so shout out to her. She was my favorite back when I first started watching American Idol, which by the way sucks now. I'm done with it. Even the voice I'm not really that into anymore. Singing shows are down the drain. But anyway, yes, one more song for America, then we'll call it a night. So let's do it. If tomorrow all the things were gone we'd worked for all our life, and you had to start again with just your children and your wife, thank your lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. Felt kinda off, but whatever. Keep it up. Come on, peoples. For the USA. To the lakes of Minnesota, to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston, and New York to LA. Well, there's pride in every American heart, and it's time we stand and say that I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. To be an American, well at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. Boom!
So he's saying Canada isn't heaven?
No, Amy, it's not heaven.